Hi, it's Jamie from Midland Tractors. Here at AgFest we've been highlighting the Precision Ag Essentials kit. I'd just like to go through what you get. So with the Precision Ag Essentials kit you get a G5 display, one of two choices. You can have the G5 or over here the larger G5 Plus, which is 12.8 inches. But also in the kit you get a Starfire 7500 receiver and either an M or an R modem. And the great bit about the modem is the modem connects your machine to the cloud, so you can have all your data upload to the operations centre. You'll see here on the screen an example of the farm. We see all the agronomic data, we can see where the machines are, we can get all sorts of logistics data, probably a lot more than I can explain in this short video. But if you're interested in one of the kits, come and see us. They can fit your John Deere, your older machines, they can fit competitive models and other brands. So starting from $79.90, come and give us a visit.